Hi, my name is Vidushi Sharma. I'm from the sales team. So, welcome to the Beverly Golf Avenue. This is in Sector 65, Phase 11, Mohali, just opposite of 48 sector and 0 kilometer from Chandigarh. So, we have 3 and 4 BHK luxury apartments and we are near to the possession. So, let's have a look. So, अब चलते हैं अपने एक्चुअल टावर में. अब चलते हैं अपने ग्रैंड रिसेप्शन एरिया पे. See how grand entry it is. When we entered, we have a huge grand reception area and lobby. On the ground floor, there will be same reception area and lobby and waiting lounge like this. We are in the actual tower. See how beautifully designed it is. So, this is our project model. See how beautifully it is designed. This is just next to the golf range. So, we are giving complimentary membership for the lifetime to the whole family. And our project, it is in 7 acres. It is in the L shape. So, you will get a clear view to the lush green apartments. हम चलते हैं अपने सैंपल फ्लैट में. यहाँ पे 2 लिफ्ट्स रहेंगी हर टावर में, 2 स्टेयरकेस रहेगा. सो अब हम आ गए हैं अपने लॉबी एरिया में. नाउ आई विल शो यू द सैंपल फ्लैट. इस कैटेगरी में एक फ्लोर पे 4 अपार्टमेंट्स हैं, 2 गोल्फ फेसिंग, 2 मोहाली फेसिंग. सो आई विल शो यू द सैंपल फ्लैट. आ गए हैं हम अपने सैंपल फ्लैट में. लेट्स हैव अ लुक. सो आप जब देखते हैं, सो दिस इज 2072 स्क्वायर फीट 3+1. सो दिस इज इन 12 by 17 स्क्वायर फीट एंड यू कैन सी यहाँ पे 7 सीटर सोफा लगा है एंड स्टिल यू हैव अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल स्पेस. एंड दिस इज योर लिविंग एरिया विद एन अटैच बालकनी. So, moving forward, this is the dining area. We are beautifully designed. And moving forward, let's see. We are providing modular kitchen with the hydraulic cabinets. And this is with the Hitic brand fittings. So, with the kitchen, you have a beautifully designed utility area which connects you with your servant room. And the best part is servant room has an attached washroom. So, there is a proper family privacy concern. So, अब हमने देख लिया है किचन. So, let's see the bedroom first. Oh, before that, see this. This is the powdered washroom for your guest. इसका प्लस पॉइंट रहता है कि आपके गेस्ट आ रहे हैं, आपको उनको बेडरूम से ले जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आपका वॉशरूम है, यू हैव अ सेपरेट वॉशरूम, राइट? सो लेट्स सी द बेडरूम्स फर्स्ट. सी हाउ स्पेशियस इट इज. दिस इज द फर्स्ट गेस्ट बेडरूम विद एन अटैच्ड वॉशरूम एंड बालकनी. Washroom, you can see we will provide fully complete washrooms with the toughened glass, with the sanitary. This is all designed by the Grohe brand. go to that children's bedroom. This is 11 by 13. This is also with an attached washroom and balcony. In this, we are providing Italian finish vitrified tiles and with the modular switches. So, let's moving forward. This is the master bedroom with the size of 12 by 17. See how beautifully it is designed. This is with the wooden tile flooring. It has a very spacious washroom and with a balcony.